Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the update of this worksheet. So I have made some changes. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can see a better view. Okay, so I hope you can see it. So we have entered these manual data in here, which are in yellow white cells. My suggestion is to make the all the inputs as yellow cells so that anyone can see. Okay, these are the input cells, just like this one. So my suggestion is to make all of these to be yellow cells. And we can mark the yellow entries, yellow cells as the manual entries. We can always mark these as yellow. All right. So initially the line here is because you have made this a week and then this one another week. So I have just randomly entered some dates in here. We can remove this border as well. This one as well. All right. So now we have entered some manual data in here, some random numbers. Let me quickly fill out the 0 to maybe 5 calls. Okay, so now there are some random numbers in these columns. So what I want to show here is that I have added few columns from Q to S, which will be hidden. We don't need to see those because I want to track the year from this date, the month, and the week number, so that we can have the uh, split and distribution accordingly. So these will be get hidden always. And if we will move to the dashboard with the available data, which is the random data in here. So here you can see this one is yearly data analysis. So all these charts are based on year, and all of these entries are also available, which you can always see date by date. So everything which is available in 2025 is available here. If we have 2024, 2025, and 2026 data, multiple data, you can always select the year from this drop down. Once there will be more data, let me show you quickly. Let me add some random data quickly again. This time maybe with so now we have some same sort of data for 2025 and 2026 as well. If we'll jump onto this drop down, you will be able to see the 2026 as well, because I have added some random data. So you can see now currently this is showing 2026 data. If I'll switch back to 2025, you can see the data getting updated. So this one is showing total clients. Um, yep, I need to review this number because we have made some changes in here. Yep. Okay. So this one is showing the total clients leaving, total calls booked, total conversations, churn rate, the churn revenue, sorry, the churn rate, and this number is basically an average number for the whole year. So this one is showing January, February, March, and April, May, the month base average income by month. If we will move to the other side, this one is showing the current month, which is either you can select the month. If you want to see the second month, you can select the fourth or fifth as well. But if you won't select anything, this will show the current month. So this is how it is formatted. But you can always select the month in here. So if I want to see the February data, you can always see in here. Again, the same charts: total clients, total leaving, total conversation, calls booked, churn rate, churn revenue, and the month total. Because we have selected only one month, February, so it's showing only for the February. If you want to see the same chart for the March, you can always click on that. If you want to see the overall revenue, you can always see these values in here as well. You can see currently we are showing 95 of March, and it's showing 595, and it's 595 as well. If I'll switch to February, you will see it 128, and it's 128 here as well. If we'll move to the further right side, you will see the product based data. So these are we have selected the products in this table in here. And this is showing for the overall all the data available for that for one particular product for the 2025. If you want to see the data for 2026, you can always switch this, and it will, because we haven't changed the data values, I just copy pasted and change the date, so you won't be able to see the value changing in here. But this is how you can see the different data for different years. So this is basically product based total revenue, total column. You can always see which one is high and which one is lower, and which one, like the total clients are higher on the for this particular, and this is sorted by the client, the total clients from left to right. So highest will be on the left side, and the lowest will be on the right side. Similarly for this one is cumulative churn rate with the cumulative income, not the cumulative and average. Sorry, average churn rate and cumulative income, which you can see it's also sorted by the total income, the cumulative income from left to right. And you can see the churn rate is getting 100% and the revenue is getting 0. Maybe because of some values, not we haven't entered all the values in there. Similarly for this one is also the same chart based on the product, and this one is cumulative income, calls booked, and total clients. So this is the trend of these three matrices. If you'll move to the further right, this will show you the basically last 10 weeks data if available. If there is only available 2 weeks data, it will show 2 weeks data, but this will maximum show max. All right, so this one is showing the last 10 weeks if the data is available. So you can see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. These are the last few weeks available. If we'll go to the data in here, and if I'll show you the week number, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the only 8 or 7, 9 weeks available. So we can see only those 9. If there will be more data available, like if there will be more data up to 40 weeks, you will be only see from 30 to 40, which are the last 10 weeks. This chart is showing the total clients, calls booked, and future leads in the bar shape, so that you can see which one is high on which side. So the total clients are reducing on the right side, and the future leads getting higher. So these are random numbers, obviously. Once you'll be plugging in the real numbers, you will be able to see the real picture. This chart is showing the based on the week number, obviously. So week numbers are at the bottom: 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. You can always correlate these charts right from up top to bottom as well. So 13 is against 13. You can see the revenue is getting on the higher on the right side, whereas the current income is reducing on the right side. Then similarly for the total clients and total call book. So these are the overview: uh, yearly, monthly, product base, and weekly. I will see about the total clients thing, whether we should have a total of the maximum number in the whole year, because that's the total client we have. I don't think so. This will be logical to add, like if there is 11 client and then the client 6 clients got relieved, or they left the organization, and like from 11 to 4 we have 7 reduction of 7, then 4 to 9 we have an addition of 5. We can't see that client leaving, then 1. So if for example, if this is the whole year up to here, so at any point of time, 11 clients, 4 clients, 9 clients, but overall how many clients do we have in this? So we cannot add 11 to 4, because these 4 has already added in this 11, because these 7 of those got left, so we cannot add 11, 4, 9. So we can see the maximum number in here. So the maximum number in here is 17. So the maximum client we had in all time of this particular year is 17. So I think this should be the number displayed in here in the whole year. Please let me know if you have any other thought about it, so that I can make the change accordingly. Thank you.